To make this video short, I have everything typed up. In this video, I'm going to subnet the Class B address 172.16.0.0/16 so that each subnet should have at least 4,000 hosts. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, how many host bits should each subnet have to support at least 4,000 hosts? The answer is 12 bits. 2 to the 12 minus 2 will give us 4,094 usable hosts. The reason we subtract 2 is because the subnet address and the broadcast address in each subnet are not usable. The next question we need to ask ourselves is, what is the new subnet mask? We started off with 32 total bits. We subtract the 12 host bits we determined up here. That leaves us with 20 total network bits. We can put that in CIDR format, binary format, or decimal format. The next question we need to ask ourselves is, what is the value of the last network bit? 16. That's 128, 64, 32, and 16. So the value of that last bit is 16. The last question we need to ask ourselves is, what octet is the last network bit in? It's in the third octet. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to increment by 16s in the third octet. So the next thing we need to do is list our subnet addresses. I have them pre-listed. All I did was increment by 16s in the third octet. We're going to end up with a total of 16 subnets. After you have all your subnets listed, you need to convert it to binary. I'm not going to convert the first 2 octets because they won't change at all. Here's the values of the last 2 octets in binary. 48.0, 64.0, and so on. After we've converted all of our subnet addresses into binary, we need to find the broadcast address. So what I did was copy over my binary bits, paste them, and change all my host bits to 1. Then converted these 2 octets into decimal. So this is the last 2 octets for each broadcast address. Once that is done, all we need to do is figure out our range. To find out our range, we need to increment this by 1 and to decrement this by 1. So these are the ranges for each subnet. These are the actual IPs that you would assign to devices. You cannot assign the subnet address, which has all zeros as host bits, or the broadcast address, which has all ones for the host bit, to any device. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.